Late but me reach. They are at Disney's Typhoon Lagoon Waterpark. And yeah, I could go in there now and see what I go on now. So we're there at Kelua Falls and why? I said the last right? I don't know to right the water slide they come like me nearly drown in whole like water in the world open in my head. No else no water no left here. No left here, but yeah man another one I'm gonna do now. I'm excited. I got my tube. So yeah, I'm bringing it with me. I'll probably swim from there. Whee! Oh my gosh. Yeah.
All you gotta do is release one hand on the handle.
Got it. Thank you. Ooh. Okay guys, let's go. It's nice and cool, calm, and collected. Yeah man. Whee! Watch guys, red. You like this? They like this. Me blood clot, never mind. Here it up. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, it's stuck. That was funny. But yeah guys, I don't know where we are going now. No, that's gonna be cool. You're up to that one this off. It's a sweet, I'm a swing out to right here. You never heard of this? Nice banana tree. There we are going to enjoy ourselves. Yeah. The line I move fast. Something like when the line move fast, you know? Nice. Guys, it's in the same red on there. Me not like that one, yeah. What's so close? Why? What's the last club is done? Igloo, they get your cold water. I like that because I know we're thirsty right now. We have definitely thirsty place. Have a food and now we're waiting for some chips. Yeah. This have a buzz man. This one a free refill, Fanta.
One time I did cold. It was kind of an emergency. That was like the reflexes this.
It's really big. So they could have given us 2 fish.
How much fish I get? One?
One.
We get 2. And 2 this.
You get 2 fish. don't disappoint me now.
She make it good? What do you have?
Rummer.
Why looks like that?
The Myers.
You can drive mine?
You can drive.
Yeah, have fun. We enjoy ourselves. The food good. The vibes nice. Wave pool. All of the water slide. Try it out for myself. But yeah, man, the place nice, man. Everything good overall. I think I don't expect it to be more busier than this because of summer. But surprisingly, the crowd manageable. The crowd manageable, so I'm happy about that. But overall, guys, it go on. Woo! Everybody around, watch out! Watch out! Is it a hurricane? I'll bring it back. Perfect. Guys, we get a piece of Radamisi. I'll be here in a fall. So right now, everybody, be a lightning. Everybody just left the place. One lightning clap, everything after the pan shut down. You guys then evacuate everybody out of the lazy river. All of the water rides them closed down. Everybody will go home, sir. One look at lightning do all of this. So that's why when I come to park, it's always good for you to just come in early because you never know the weather just change all of a sudden. Mash up everything. But it's always good. Safety is the #1 priority at all times. So I'm happy them do that still, you know. But it was a fun-filled day. We did a lot and there's a lot more to do. We're definitely coming back another time to do all of the other things that we never get to try. But overall, I'm not stop say it again. It was such a good day, such a fun-filled day. Oh, this is so cool. I did want to get to when I come in, but I did miss it. Look at that. Love it. Nice, right? Yeah, dope. But yeah, guys, thank you always so much for watching. Pick up on yourself. Do remember to watch the live replays that I did when we were in the water slide and so other things. So check that out on my main page. Once you go to the main page and you just scroll up, you see the whole Sunday live replays playlist. Okay, pick up on yourself. Love and love alone. Bye.